Terra Luna just collapsed, and I'm going to tell you why. So Terra Luna is down about 96% over the past 24 hours, which is one of the biggest falls we've seen in the crypto markets to this date. In this video, I'll be discussing whether this was a rug pull, what really went on here, and much more. So make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe and watch all the way until the end of the video so you don't miss any of the extremely important information we're about to go over with you guys. So here we can see Terra Luna is currently down 96% over the last 24 hours. You can see that Terra Luna at one point was at about $85, and then it just took a massive dive all the way below $1 at this point, sitting at about 56 cents. Even this past month, it has been as high, or in the past couple of months, it's been as high as $116 at one point, now sitting at 56 cents. So what happened with Terra Luna? If you guys want a basic rundown on what happened, basically their stablecoin UST depegged. What this means is UST or different stablecoins are supposed to stay at $1. Now they're an algorithmic stablecoin, so they're not backed like Tether, USDC. These other coins are supposed to be backed by the US dollar. Well, Terra Luna is backed through the Terra ecosystem, which obviously collapsed. An algorithmic stablecoin type of system does extremely well when the crypto markets are doing well, but when the crypto markets start to go down, these things tend to collapse altogether, and that's what has happened with Terra Luna. Now I know what you guys are probably thinking, Zach, you just made a video with cryptos to buy now, and Terra Luna was in that video. I was not aware that Terra Luna was even close to being in trouble of losing this amount of value and for UST to be depegged. Well, it happened, and now we are here. I will be letting you guys know if I think you should buy at these levels at the end of this, or whether I think this is going to zero. But first, let's go over all the kind of a deeper dive into the details of this. So you can see here, Terra Luna is currently 9.6, very bearish on the technical score. I just kind of wanted to bring this up. All of crypto right now is down, but obviously Terra is in a bit of a different situation than a lot of these different cryptocurrencies. But yeah, so Terra Luna is down 98% in 24 hours. Here's what happened. Luna is in a free fall as 98% of its price in the past 24 hours, spreading fear and uncertainty in the market and among investors. Luna dropped below $1 and hit 83 cents, is now at 56 cents. The Luna market cap has also dropped by about 74%. Terra USD, which was the third largest stablecoin, nosedived to the 14th rank. UST dropped to 68 cents yesterday and slowly recovered to 94 cents by the end of the day, but then it fell dramatically this morning at 29 cents, displaying the instability of the stablecoin. But yeah, so basically, let's go over why this happened. It all started May 9th when there was a series of some so-called fishy events circling UST. Terraform Labs first pulled out 150 million in UST liquidity from Curve. A freshly funded address bridged 84 million in UST to Ethereum 1 minute later. And the Terra ecosystem stablecoins were dumped 4 minutes later, triggering a sell-off. However, CEO Kwon defended the company, claiming that they have taken liquidity from Curve in order to put it into another pool the following week. So they're basically saying, hey, we want to do things with this money to make UST better, and then it kind of just triggered a sell-off. In regards to the sell-off, he stated that 100 million UST were taken to reduce the imbalance that Terraform Labs had no reason to depeg the stablecoin. But the justification didn't seem enough for Luna, as it took a major toll on the coin, down 98%. And then he also said on Twitter yesterday, he said, close to announcing a recovery plan for UST, hang tight, didn't mean to be so quiet, needed razor focus to deliver, thanks to everyone for the support. I'm sure a lot of people are not very happy about this. A massive Luna sell-off was sparked by money eager to get out of UST. This hastened Luna's demise even further. They do still have plans to go along with Terra Luna, making it the best they can. They're not just giving up on this project. However, basically how an algorithmic stablecoin works is that if people don't have confidence in the stablecoin, it could lead to utter collapse, with UST going to $0, with Luna going to $0. $0. So if you guys are not willing to make that risk, I would not consider buying Luna anytime soon. Now that we have seen this collapse of Luna, it's really going to be really hard to save this. But if the confidence is restored in investors with Luna and UST, there could be a recovery with Luna. So there's definitely some upside to be had with Luna, and there's also some downside as well. And really quick, guys, before I get into the rest of the video, make sure you guys get signed up to public.com if you guys are interested in getting a free stock worth up to $300. Public.com is a social investing network that allows you to see what your favorite investors are buying and selling in the stock and crypto markets. Plus, when you use our link and deposit just $1, you get the chance to earn a free stock worth up to $300. So go ahead and click that first link in the description to get signed up to public.com. Okay, a few more pieces of news before we get out of here with Terra Luna. Basically, some speculation was that BlackRock and Citadel were trading with Terra's stablecoin UST. So let's go over it. Basically, hedge fund giant Citadel Securities and asset manager BlackRock have outright denied their involvement with trading UST. The giants denied the rumors in separate emails that were sent to Forbes. The statements follow swiftly growing claims that the financial behemoths had borrowed 100,000 Bitcoin from the cryptocurrency exchange Gemini. The claims continue to say that they used Bitcoin to buy UST, only to dump the assets, causing the market to crash and wiping away more than 25 billion in underlying Luna market volume. So if you guys don't know what this means, the allegations against BlackRock and Citadel was that they borrowed Bitcoin, bought UST, and then decided to dump UST and cause this massive sell-off that we're seeing now. This is just an allegation. They have denied it, but this could be a reason for why Luna has plummeted 98%, and then also why UST was depegged. Now this is not confirmed, so don't go blowing up their Twitters or rioting outside Citadel and BlackRock. However, if they were to have done this, I don't know if they're going to be liable for liable for people's losses or whatever, but that's just a possibility for how this was kind of depegged, and how Luna just lost 98% of its value. But anyways, one more thing. Ex-Terra employees claimed that Kwon was behind the earlier failed stablecoin in Basis Cash. So Basis Cash was basically another stablecoin project that people say that Kwon was the mastermind of, and basically it didn't go very well. It arrived in Ethereum in late 2020, soon before Terra's main stablecoin, Terra UST or USD. It was a much followed resurrection in the DeFi circles. BAC, like UST, attempted to preserve a $1 peg through code rather than collateral. So yeah, UST is basically going to be algorithmic, like I said, when most stablecoins are going to be through collateral. But it didn't work, and basically he abandoned the project because it never reached its goal of $1 parity, and it fell below $1 in early 2021. So yeah, a lot of people are saying that he was behind another failed stablecoin project, and that this is probably not going to inspire investor confidence. I believe he said that he did not work on this, but some people said that he was involved, so that's another thing to think about. But yeah, basically, let's go over something else. I mean, the crypto markets are just an absolute shambles. I'm going to be making a crypto crash video tomorrow for you guys, so you guys can know basically what to do. But the global crypto market is in about 1.26 trillion. It's 12% decrease over the last day, and then obviously Luna is going to have absolutely plummeted. They're now ranked number 50 by market cap, and only have a market cap of about $1 billion and a volume of about $9.9 billion. So I've never seen this type of volume to market cap ratio when there's been $10 million of Terra traded in the last 24 hours and only about $1 billion of market cap. And obviously you can see they just lost another $70 million of market cap in the span of when we just started this video. So the volume is just crazy. And then also you can see here the just utter collapse of Terra Luna. I mean, this is something that I thought could be a top 5, top 3 crypto someday, and now it's just sitting at less than $1 when it was just at $80 a couple of days ago. So yeah, we're gonna be making more content on all of this for you guys. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure that you guys leave a like and subscribe. Get your free stock with the first link in the description. Use the second link in the description and join our free part of Discord if you guys want to kind of pick our brains on what's happening with the crypto markets. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.